Thinking about making a move to Wetumpka, Alabama? Today I'm going to show you what you can get in the $300 to $399 range. Why don't we get started right now? Whether you're looking to move to Wetumpka, Alabama for the beautiful scenery and outdoor activities, the quaint downtown featured on HGTV, or the school system, my hope is this video gives you a little more information to help make the best decision possible for you and or your family. Located in Elmore County, Wetumpka has about 7,400 residents. Most of them commute into Montgomery for work. We are out in Fox Chase, which is Stone Martin's newest Wetumpka subdivision. Started out as their express line, which is kind of their lower entry level, lower price point homes, but they've got so much demand from everybody about the traditional homes and the traditional floor plans that they actually have changed strategies, and they're only now building those traditional Stone Martin floor plans going forward. So the average floor plan in here is about 2,000 square feet. Most are 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 0 half bath. They sit on about a half an acre, and on average they're about $310,000. So why don't we go check out the rest right now? Hey, my name is Britt, and I get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you all the time who are looking to make a move to the area, and I enjoy helping them, and I would love to help you too. So my information is down in the description, along with a link to my calendar where you can schedule a call at your convenience. So just reach out, shoot me a call, text, or email, or grab that link and schedule a call, and I'd love to get the ball rolling. All right, I'm over here in Windsong Ridge here in Wetumpka. I'm about to show you this house that's right behind the camera there. This house is going to be right around $350,000. I'll put the stats in the video. But here in Windsong Ridge, you can get, most homes are about $304,000. The average year build is 2005. Most of them are going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1 half bath, and they sit on average on about a half an acre. So I don't know if you can tell behind me, you probably can, that it's pretty wooded. There's a lot of trees, a lot of mature trees. There are a lot of hills. There's a lot of terrain here in the neighborhood. So why don't we go step in this house and see what $350,000 gets you right here in Windsong Ridge. Okay, that's going to do it for what you can get for $300,000 right here in Wetumpka, Alabama. Again, if I can help in any way, my information is in the description below, along with a link to my calendar where you can schedule a call at your convenience, and we'll see you on the next one.